I'm super excited to talk to you today about how to create an automated passive income system. It's literally been the best thing that I've embedded in my own business, and I just realized I need to share it with you all so you can benefit in your own business. But without further ado, if you don't know who I am, my name is Tina Lopez. I'm a content creator myself, but we help content creators create passive income through evergreen traffic, content automation, and paid digital products. So think along the lines of affiliate marketing. But if you are that person who is thinking to yourself, like, I need cash flow in my business, especially as a content creator, instead of you depending on brand deals or depending on other things, why don't we take the time to depend on ourselves? Like, not have any codependency. That was a joke. But in any case, to really talk a little bit about how to create recurring cash flow in your business, or at the very least, create opportunities for recurring cash flow in your business. So if you haven't gone ahead, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this content. It's a small action that goes a really long way, and I'm sending you all the telepathic internet hugs and appreciation. But let me get off my soapbox and let's go ahead and get into the training today. So today we're going to really be talking about how to create an automated passive income system, and really what does that look like. So when it comes to creating passive income, you really want, revenue streams that are passive, meaning that you either do things once, you set it, forget it, and it creates recurring revenue for you. But what does that look like? So when it comes to revenue streams, for me, I'm just speaking to myself, every content creator is different. But for me, what it looks like for me is really content share earnings. So these are platforms like Medium, YouTube, things that really pay you out if people actually, engage with your content in whatever way and capacity that they do so. And then you have this other aspect of affiliate marketing. So if individuals actually, make a purchase on a product recommendation, then you get a kickback on the back end for you. So you do get a commission, whether it be high, low, small, whatever, you get a commission. The other aspect is digital products. So these are products that you own and that you've created for yourself, but also for your audience. So you get higher profit margins, in my opinion. That's usually how it goes. Now, when we're thinking about creating automated passive income, you really want to think along the lines of, how can I create weekly cash flow, monthly cash flow, quarterly cash flow, and really creating a whole system that does that for you on the back end automatically. Now, what that looks like for me is email marketing. I love it because it's super easy to set up. You just set it up once and you forget it. And all you have to do is drive traffic to the landing page for people to sign up. And then they get a whole email sequence where you're doing, weekly value drops, you're doing monthly promotions, you're also doing quarterly launches. We're going to get into that. But my recommendation is to do to do email marketing. And if you need a tool, I recommend MailerLite. That is what I use. They have a great forever free plan, and I recommend it. If I don't have the link in the description, let me know in the comment, but I'll send it to you. But in any case, let's talk a little bit about weekly cash flow. So when it comes to weekly cash flow, my recommendation is to do weekly newsletters. Why? Because it's a great way for you to add value to the person who's reading your newsletter, who's subscribed to your email box. It's also super easy for you to repurpose content. So if you have a blog article where you're talking about something, this is the place for you to repurpose it to, where you're going to drive email traffic to your content. So the whole idea of creating content once and creating traffic, instead of depending on the algorithm, you're depending on yourself. So got some independence over here. Any case, you're having the content, embedded into the weekly newsletter. And then, if you're talking about an affiliate product in your content, make sure to link that affiliate product in the email, right? So instead of them having to click through and find your, affiliate link, you could just have that in the email as well. The third piece is actually having a digital product. So if you have a content piece that is talking, about, email newsletters and how to create one, and you also have a digital product that tells you how to set it up, then make sure to include that in the newsletter, because it really goes a long way. And you can, have extra opportunities to provide revenues, traffic to, your paid digital products, or your paid, basically for you to get paid out. And with that being said, the second piece is to have monthly promos. So when it comes to creating an automated email sequence as well as the system, you want to have monthly promos to either your digital products or to your affiliate products, whatever works best for you. But with that being said, you're going to create like an email campaign. Now, if you need plug and play email sequences, I highly, highly encourage you to check out our affiliate templates. They're really easy. I've already created the copy. All you have to do is just plug in the affiliate product, and you basically get your content from that point on. Super easy. If you want the template, let me know in the comments. I want it and I'll send it your way. But with that being said, you're going to be promoting your affiliate product and kind of having expiring bonuses in the process. So the reason why I recommend expiring bonuses is, when it comes to affiliate products, you're promoting products year round and or they can access and purchase the product year round. So there's not really, attention for urgency. So what you're doing is you're creating expiring bonuses to create urgency for the product that you're promoting. And what that can look like is, digital products, anything along the lines of checklists, templates, mini courses, things along those lines, ebooks. So for example, if I'm having an affiliate product for software, then I may, give a mini course and a tutorial. So essentially you're creating this urgency where they can get access to this tutorial or this mini course for free when they purchase this affiliate product and no extra cost to them when they purchase through your specific affiliate link, right? And so that is a great way for you to drive urgency because it's going to be a limited time window where they can get this bonus for free, but they can also get it for free in addition to them purchasing whatever the affiliate product is. So you're getting kickback on the back end for the commission, but you're also, providing value to them. And then you're going to have this limited time window. My recommendation, if you need a tool, is to check out mailtimer.io. Again, let me know if it's not in the description. I'll send it your way. Just say, hey, I need the link, and I'll send it to you. But basically, it's a great way for you to run evergreen timers on your emails. And that is that. Now, my next recommendation and the final one is to have quarterly launches. So these are quarterly cash injections. And what this looks like is that this requires a little bit of manual, but a little bit of automated. What makes it manual is that you're having, these emails and you need to, either search for, a product launch or have it be your own launch and, create the assets for that, or you need to, automate and schedule them yourself. So the reason why it's manual is because when it comes to doing these quarterly launches, I recommend doing launches that are open cart, closed cart within a specific time window because there's going to be natural urgency within the launch that you don't need to create yourself, right? Because they can only access, that product or that, service within a limited time window. So there's going to be natural urgency. You just need to go ahead and make sure you're signing up for affiliate products or promotions that are high ticket. And what I consider high ticket is anything that's within the $1,000 plus range, right? And also have high commissions. So I definitely joined affiliate promotions where they're anywhere from 40 to 60% of, the commissions. Of course, make sure that, you 100% stand by the product you're promoting because you are, going to be promoting this to your audience. But if a person does decide to join, then you get a really nice heavy commission on the sale, but you're also, providing value to them because you're actually recommending tools, products, resources that you 1000% stand by. Now, basically, this creates an automated passive income system because when you create these emails and when you set it all up in a funnel through MailerLite, for example, which is my email marketing platform recommendation, you basically all you have to do is just set it up once, forget it, and then just drive traffic to the email list. And every person who goes through that funnel is going to get the exact same email, exact same copy, and it's a great way for you to have revenue opportunities in the process. So quick recap on everything that I've mentioned. I recommend when it comes to creating an automated passive income system, you create weekly newsletters or you're giving value drops, but you're also getting paid out on content and affiliate products and digital products. Then you have monthly promos where you're giving expiring bonuses for them to get certain products or services at a limited time window. And then finally, you're going to have quarterly launches where you get high ticket products and you're selling it for a high ticket commission and you're getting great commissions on the back end. But if I've earned your like, know, and trust, which I wish and hope so, go ahead and please like, comment, and subscribe to this content. It's a very small action that goes a very long way and I genuinely appreciate it. I'm sending you all like my internet hugs and telepathically how that works. But thank you so much and I shall see you in the next video. But I would love to know comments below, like what was your number one takeaway. But without further ado, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.